All right, blessed love everyone. This is DJ Blue from Team Blue Entertainment Radio and Entertainment and a lot more stuff. And this is the Chill Spot. And you know, normally on the Chill Spot, we do interviews with artists, known and unknown, and we get to know their past, present, and what they're going to be doing in the future. But I am starting a new venture also. So this is the first video of many more to come. This is a Chill Spot, just the same, but you're going to be having my opinions on a lot of things. And most of my opinions is going to be of my background and culture, right? And my culture is Jamaican by birth and now change and now switch. You know the thing. So now, before we get into what I'm going to talk about on the first edition of me just chilling and giving opinions on the chill spot, is I'm going to remind them to say, oh, Team Blue have the merch them. You can go to teamentertainment.com and grab yourself something from our shop. This also, remember, we have some nice stuff. We have hoodies, we have all kind of stuff. Team Blue, support the thing. Now, if you're logging in, if you're watching, thank you for being here. Keep on supporting our team. Keep on supporting the dream. You understand me? Teamwork, the dream work. I know the thing, but so subscribe, and even guess what again? Share, subscribe, and comment down below. Down low, down this up, yeah. Comment down this up. And we'll give you a description that you can go to our website there, and we also will leave it in the description below. You understand me? Now, my first topic is going to be about Jamaicans, yeah, and Jamaicans that have a goal before they left Jamaica. Because all of us, before we left Jamaica, we had one goal: make some money, go back home. Now, on this goal, we normally start the goal off and we stick the goal out to some sense until the monopoly of society eats us up, you know. And when this grab a hold of us, we start forgetting our basic goals and reality now we set in a whole, yeah? And we start doing different things. We start wasting our money in foreign, the money where you work hard to get, no matter how you make it, you start wasting. Then you forget, you start looking at Jamaica as a shithole country like Donald Trump said, and you turn your back and you do everything. You know, you don't want to do nothing about Jamaica no more. For this, everyone can, as I'm saying, it's my opinion, so you can always not agree or just leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about my opinion. But everybody have one eye, like, oh, everybody have a get it. So now, after doing this, them turn them back on Jamaica and start talk a whole heap of stuff, turn them back on them goal and start to becoming a slave of the society that you're in. That meaning that you're helping to build their society. And at every point you look back at your society that you're coming from and have all the bad things to say. But you're not looking at, you left your society to gain some wealth to build your society. But when you go to the next society that over there is in a foreign, 99% of you guys are not rich. You're better position that you were off. You were in Jamaica, you're better off, a little bit better. You understand me? You are survive. Now, at the same time, when you forget all your goals and dreams and everything we have planned for you start talking about the country you're coming from. You understand me? You start looking up on it, you start being funny, you start dirty Jamaica, oh, me now go back, this, me now this, me now that. My point is, yeah, when you do stuff like this, no, you start saying this to an ex-Jamaican, yeah, then they might start listening what you're saying and start doing the same thing. If every Jamaican that leaves Jamaica to achieve a goal and got lost on their way, it depends on any way you get lost. You can just get caught up in the system and build a family and Like, whatever you get, you do, and you get caught up in the system, right? No, when you do that, right? And if every Jamaican you said this to think the same way, and you influence them to think the same way, and every Jamaican that leave Jamaica, yeah, start thinking the same way, how does that help your country? You know what I mean? It's just what I've been thinking about, and I hear a lot of people saying this, and I'm like, but we need to stop doing this. Now, first of all, how can you decide not knowingly, but when you find out, to help a man build him house, right? And then when you build the man house, you decide say, yo, me want a room in this and me nah left and you can't get me out. You understand me? Instead, you try to build. You can always help someone to build their house. Of course, it's life. You have to do this, you have to do that. Help somebody to build for them house, right? But remember, it's not yours. You have to have your house and build your house too. All if you have one room. I'm saying that if you never get to me and say this, you leave to gain something. On the road of gaining something, don't lose your vision, your goal, and your dream. Reason why I said this. Remember, you get a piece of paper stating that you're coming to them country. You can stay, maybe you can live, and maybe you can work. This piece of paper can be taken away. Point is proven. In life, you can do anything. Yeah? You can make a mistake by driving and in an accident by drinking and driving, or just get something like a beat the name gone to the police record. It don't have to be nothing on a bad level, And then Donald Trump do it one day, just want to have one like a police record, and them start deport you. You were thinking like, yeah, go to Jamaica, blah blah blah. Now you reach back in the same position, yeah, that you were in before. Because the house where you're building your house, you can get kicked out at any time. You understand me? So stop being like these people. You know what I mean? Stop forgetting and losing sight of your dream and your goal. The goal is stop getting caught up. Would you say it? You're rich, you never see a life hard. You see me? You never used to send the money go yard. You understand something never? Now you reach back a yard, you're gonna start complaining. Hold on me. Now you build the people in house and forget your house because you don't have none. You forget say that you start your house and you left it. Them kick you out. What gonna happen now? And if every Jamaican is to do the same thing, Jamaica now get no better. When you just go sit down and fire and talk about how this country is so great and Jamaica is not doing this. I see a lot of white people selling their houses in all of them places and gone buy house at Jamaica. So why are we running away from Jamaica? You understand me? Why we are do that? So leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this. It's puzzling me, and I have been talking to a lot of Jamaicans, and their mindset is once them day or so, is like them that foreign on yo Jamaica this and Jamaica that. Right now, dog, if you can't get my mother and my father house, I'm picking them. Go to Jamaica that. I'm like, yeah, but bro, England what they try to kick out Wally Pound the same way. All of them do no crime. America do it. So we not get the understanding yet. They want you to help build the economy. And when the economy is here, now they need to get rid of you because you can't take back where you help and build. So them try and get you out. Them send you back down this again. Till them need you again, them draw you back in. You don't understand this. So when we are take our time and build someone else, we should always, we are building another house so we can get paid to build our own. Always invest in yourself. That's why we do team entertainment merch. Da, 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 da. You know the thing about. Always invest in yourself and your land. You cannot be deported from Jamaica, but you can be sent to prison in a different country and then deported to Jamaica with nothing. Only with your bad talk and your bad all kind of something about Jamaica, dirty place, but they end up on Jamaica. I've seen this thing a video of this guy talking bad about Jamaican. Yeah, yeah, yeah. England was better because he got deported now. I'm like, but when you were there doing what you had to do, yeah, you never did not try even put a little one block down, you know? You don't have to do it in the same area that you're from. Jamaica is a big country. It might be small, but it's a big country. Buy a piece of land somewhere out of your community, a different community, from one place, from one rock, and just go and live some nice life. Because other people are leave them country go do that at Jamaica. While you are leave your country, you cannot do this in their country. You see me? Look at it. It's funny. Chinese taking over Jamaica. Other people going and investing in Jamaica, and Jamaicans leaving Jamaica. How that makes sense? And then they sit down and talk bad, my bad, When they sit down and talk bad and pretend like, yo, we don't say what I do. I say we fool and dumb. So leave a comment down below. You understand me? Tell me what you think about this because it's bothering me. That's why I decided to start this thing. So this is the first one of many more. So if you have something you want me to talk about, just leave a comment down below. If you're on Instagram, follow us, like, and share. If you're on YouTube, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment with the whole works. And also, let me tell you, merch it up. Support the team. Merch. teamblueentertainment.com. You can just pop over there, listen to the radio, find out what's new with us, find out which artists we're going to be interviewing on the Chill Spot, and just buy something. See you next week. I'm out.